Today we're talking about make.com. Now, Make is a tool that allows you to automate tasks without writing a single line of code. I know this because I do it myself for tons of businesses. This can help you save a lot of time and money, and it can also help you scale your business faster than you thought previously possible. You start by creating a scenario, which is a series of steps that Make will follow in order to complete a given task. To create a workflow, you simply drag and drop different actions onto the canvas. Each action represents a different task that Make can perform. For example, you can add an action to send an email, an action to post social media, or an action to update a database. You can also schedule your workflows to run at specific times or when certain events occur. So what are some of the things that you can automate with Make? Well, the possibilities are truly endless, but I'll give you a few ideas. You can send automated email campaigns to your leads or your customers. You can update your social media accounts on a regular basis. You can schedule appointments with your customers. You can process orders and send invoices for your products or your services, and so much more. So if you're looking to save time and money and grow your business, then I highly recommend you check out make.com. It's a powerful tool that can help you automate even the most complex tasks, and it's much better than Zapier. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.